How to change country or region on Instagram in your phone. First up, open up the Instagram app in your device and go to your profile. Then click on the three horizontal lines that you can see on the top right corner. Here you can see an option called Settings and Privacy. Click on that and search up Switch to Professional Account. Once you search it up, click on Continue in the given steps and then proceed on displaying the best category that describes your profile. Search up whatever is the best suit for your account. Then click on Continue and then this will take a few seconds to load. Click on Business and then click on Next. You will then be asked your contact info. In the second you can see Business Address option. You have an option to put in your street address, city town and zip code. Here you can put any city town or street address that you desire to set your account to. You can also put in one city town and then change it later on. For example, here, first up we are setting our city town to Tucson, Arizona. After this, if we require to remove the address, we have an option to remove the address. On removing the address, you can also replace the address by a new city. For example, we are then replacing our city with Missouri City, Texas. Click on Done and this is how you can easily change your country or region. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.